Welcome everybody to the Clean Games here in Fethiye, actually Oludeniz, all part of the Thames Fethiye, which is the Clean Fethiye. There's a big initiative going around. You probably saw this guy all around town, and this is just to raise awareness to you all to keep this beautiful city clean. So this is a different video from what I'm used to doing. Here we are in the area of Ovacik, where we're going to have a great day cleaning the area of Ovacik. It's called the Clean Games for a reason, because what we're going to do is we're going to clean the streets, and then we're going to go down to the Belarus local council square, and we're going to have fun and games. Everybody who participates will go down there, and there's going to be award ceremonies, etc. But you can see by the crowds it's 9 AM in the morning, and all these people are here to come and help clean the local area and keep the environment clean. So Neil and I are here, and we're really looking forward to this great day. Let's hope it is. Local council, the Belarus, as we call them, have put on a little tea and water truck here for everybody. They are absolutely behind this clean day, because you do need the support of the local council if you're going to do something like this. There's a lot of cleaning going on down in the Fethiye area today. All different areas, there's cleaning groups. There's many cleaning groups around, okay, so this is one of many. Look at this is international, this one, international. Maybe we can speak to some of the people. So just put us into our groups. That's our group, group of 4. Me and Eli and a couple other people. Actually, I think there's 5. I think we're cheating. And what we're going to do is we're all going to go in our groups, and we're going to collect as much garbage, as much rubbish that we can find in the forest in the area location of Ovacik, and then we come back to a central point and we give all our bags in, see who has the most, and there's going to be like medals and trophies and certificates and things like that for the people who have actually contributed by picking up the most rubbish today. Okay, so very interesting way of doing it. It's going to be fun and games later on apparently. I have no idea what that's all about, but we'll see you. So this is interesting. So the sun's shining. It's October here in Ovacik Türkiye. It's a beautiful day. Great day for cleaning the area. Keep Türkiye clean. So this is our team here, guys. Hello. Hello there, guys. So this is our team. So we're in teams of 4. Father's at the back there, Serkan. And of course we've got Nilay. Hello Nilay. There you go, so that's our team.
So we are in the same team?
We're in the same team, we'll look after them. This is my wife Nilay. Nilay is Turkish.
Okay, so I believe in you.
Yes, we're going to win.
Yes, we are the number 1. So
we're going to win. Yeah. Right, okay.
I'm sure.
We're going to win. And this is a beautiful thing, because you're encouraging the next generation to keep the place clean. This is very nice, right. Because the problem I have is the last generation are not educated enough, I don't think. Yeah. And I think this new generation is very important that we get them on board and they know that we need to keep Turkey clean.
Yeah, that's right.
And
not
the world,
only Turkey,
and the world,
all
the whole
our
world,
environment,
the whole world, yeah. So everyone's getting excited. There's going to be fun and games today. So
everyone is the winner now.
Yeah,
isn't it?
Yeah, I think we're leaving. Let's
Maybe
go.
The medal is better, but okay.
Let's go do it. So here's Neil getting our bin liners. Yeah, look at it, brilliant, nice. It seems pretty well organised. It says Neela, yeah. You meant to open the black bag with your gloves off, Neela. Oh, look how professional she is. You're a professional cleaner, you are. Yeah! As you can see, it's all very well organised. We're issued with gloves and bin liners, so you don't need to come with anything at all. Just bring yourself. If you're going to come the next time, hope you can make it and join us for the next clean, which I'll promote somewhere on Facebook real soon. So we've got little kids here, look, with the cleaning sticks. Hello, that's my team. We're going to head now, start cleaning. Ovacik. That's what we're going to put up with people, yeah? That go, it goes right in here. Right in there. Where it belongs. Wow, look at this. Middle of nowhere. This is what we've got to put up with, people. Look, this is middle of nowhere. Look, all the plastic bags under there. I don't know how they would even get there. And all this. And even all the way down there. Who comes to the forest and leaves all this crap I'll never know. Quite shocked at the amount of rubbish lying around in the forest, people, where nobody you would imagine would want to even go, you know. So I don't know if it's workers in the forest or who's leaving all the rubbish lying around. There's building companies just dumping things around as well. I'm noticing that as well. So anyway, there you go. We've done our clean this morning. It's very well. What we did is we left all the bin bags on the streets, and the Belladere is going to go around, the local council that is, and clean everything up. So a cracking day up in Ovacik, guys. So I'm in Hisaranu now, so right behind me here is the local Belladere office. So there's something going on here today, part of the Clean Fethiye project. So let's go and have a look and see what's going on, shall we? So here we are, guys, and these guys have all been really doing a great job up in the hills of Ovacik this morning, doing a great job. And the Belladere, the council, have put on some sandwiches for everybody as a little thank you. It's great that they get the backing of the local council. That's absolutely wonderful. So great. So I'll just go around everybody. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Time for sandwiches. Hi guys, Peter Olsen. Enjoy your meal. Oh, look at this, biscuits, cakes, sandwiches. Ah, lovely. So this is all from the local Belladere council office, guys. Isn't this very nice?
Hello.
Hello guys, hello.
Did you come here?
Hello, where are you from?
From Belarus.
Belarus. Welcome. Hi guys. Hello there. Where are you from?
Russia and Turkey.
Turkey. Talk in all of them. Hi guys. Welcome. Are you Turkish?
Germany.
Germany. Oh, we're brilliant. Lots of different nationalities here today. Belarus, Turkey, Mongolia, Scotland. Where are you from?
Hamburg.
Kazakhstan. Oh, there you go. Wonderful. Did you clean well today then? Good clean, yeah?
Yes.
Wonderful. Enjoy your meal, yes?
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys.
Hi.
Are you Turkish?
Russia.
You're Russian as well? Okay. Hello guys. Did you clean good? Yeah. Enjoy your day. Thank you for cleaning, by the way, yeah? Hello guys. Where are you from? Romania.
And Croatia.
And Croatia. Wonderful. This is great. Very international here today, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Thank you for helping today. Appreciate it. So there you go. Hello guys. Where are you from?
Ukraine.
Ukraine. Oh, wonderful. Hello. Did you enjoy your clean? It's good? Yeah, wonderful. Okay, have a good day. So Neil and I's got our lunch today. Is this it? What is it?
No cheese inside.
Okay, sausage sandwich, cheese sandwich, ayran and some juice. Okay, you got to park yourself somewhere. So we're going to have our lunch now, and then I think there's some kind of fun and presentation going to be on after that. So isn't that wonderful? All these people from all over the world coming here to help clean our beautiful town of Fethiye. So I'm very proud of it. So this is us sitting having our dinner now, and these people are from Ukraine as well, yeah? And this little boy's been helping cleaning as well. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Guys, where are you from?
Russia.
Russia as well. Welcome. Thank you for helping clean Fethiye, yeah? Thank you very much. Alright guys.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm Romania.
Oh, yeah, we saw you earlier, yeah? Okay. And you're Romania as well, yeah? Thank you for helping. I appreciate it. That's it, guys. The clean games. These are some of the organisers, and we're accompanied here by Fethiye TV, or somebody from the tabloids. She told me to come here. She's doing a little bit of the organisation, and she's going to be on television in a second.
I call everybody to come.
You call us all, yeah. Next time I'm going to bring all the British people, okay?
That would be so lovely.
It's absolutely brilliant. Thank you very, very much, because there's such an international presence here today. It's wonderful, and that's to you. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Have a nice day. Also one of our organisers today. What's your name?
Hi,
Your name?
Angela
Angela from...
from Russia.
And you're our main organiser from...
Natalia from Russia.
From Russia. Thank you very much, guys.
Öncelikle ben göstereceğim. Şurada durduk ya, herkes öne bakıyor. When I say Tom, kan yazka şu. Tom dediğim zaman Tom sağ. Tom sağ. Jerry sol, left, leva. Tom prava, sağ. Jerry left, leva. Biz Tom. Harikasın. One, Jerry. Zıplamanız lazım. Da. Tom. Harika. Jerry. Süper. Jerry. That's why this is a game. And. Mickey Mouse, you will do like this. The rope, it will be inside your leg. This is Mickey Mouse. Tom. Jerry. Super. Mickey Mouse. Wonderful. And the last, when I say Pikachu, third. Yeah. Super. Hazır mıyız? The game now start. After this time, who gonna do mistake? We say bye bye, ciao ciao. Pikachu! Pikachu! Super. For the winner, of course, it will be a wonderful gift too. Hazır mıyız? The game start. İkran açılırsa yarışmamız başladı. Tom! Jerry! Tom! Jerry! Jerry! Kazavut. Elvira. Evet. Bir dakika, hemen nereye kaçıyor? Hazır. Tom. Süper. Jerry. Tom. Tom. Natalie. You. All together we say Pikachu. Yes, Pikachu. Hemen elendi, kendisi gitti. Dedi ki siz hiç yorulmayın. Ben kendi kedime giderim. Harika. Tom. Süper. Jerry. Bisre. Jerry. Bye bye, ciao ciao, Kazavut. Eva. Ella, bye bye, ciao ciao. Melissa, bye bye, ciao ciao. Victoria, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kocaman bir alkış.
My Neela is still in.
Tom. Süper. Jerry. Tom. Bisre. Tom. Merhaba, ismi Niray. Kocaman bir alkış. Evet, buldum, bir kişi daha vardı. Şu kutu. Nikito, Chesna.
Jojo.
Tom. Jerry. Tom. Bisre. Jerry. Tom. Jerry. Tom. Jerry. Jerry. Süper. Kapsavut. Diana, bir kapas. Kocaman bir alkış Diana için. Evet, hazırız. For the final. Şimdi final için bakalım kimler bizimle. Kazavut. Hana. Rusya. Какой город?
Kiev.
Kiev. Ukrayna. Luba. Какой город? Perm, Rusya. Evet sevgili Hana ve Luba, Ukrayna ve Rusya'dan şu anda final için yarışacaklar. Türkiye'de görmek isterdim aslında ama ne yapalım. Gatov, hazır. Tom. Süper. Jerry. Bisre. Mickey Mouse. Pikachu. Bir dur, biraz kafalar karıştı. Pikachu. Bisre. Pikachu. Pikachu. Pikachu. Pikachu. Tom. Jerry. Tom. Jerry. Tom. Bisre. Jerry. Jerry. Hangi? Evet, bir kapot, kocaman bir alkış. And now, our champion. Sevgili şampiyonumuz. İşte kazanmış. Bir kapot aplaudismente, kocaman alkışlarınızla Luba.
And folks, the games were not just for the big children like us, they were also for the little kids as well. So there was lots of games going on, and everybody was just having such a nice time in the sun. So you can just see this was a clean of the area with a little twist. So isn't it wonderful to have the fun games incorporated with the cleaning of the environment? Perfect. So this is the presentation. This is second place. So this is a runners up. They got the second most bin liners full today. Well, they're getting medals.
To have this meeting with you, and we also really thanks to have to organize this with you and by representing Semen generation. Thanks for all.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Not only we did it, you also did it and contributed here. Thank you.
Third place 105 points, second place 2 teams 112 points.
Я, в свою очередь, хочу поблагодарить Наталью за то, что она организовала 48. Я сама стараюсь максимально информационно поддерживать. Это очень здорово, потому что болезненно иногда смотреть на мусор в такой прекрасной природе, в таком прекрасном месте. Поэтому я очень рада, что в нашем городе есть такое сообщество, и пусть оно растет, расширяется и процветает. Ура!
Я тоже хочу добавить, что это очень красивый город, очень красиво. Давайте вместе сохранять эту красоту, беречь ее и помогать.
Ура! Ура! Winner! First place
Oh, that was second and third actually.
belongs to Team Birds.
Team Birds.
125 points.
Oh.
Completed. And Igor, there was one more partner.
Добавить, что мы не старались выиграть, а мы хотели за короткий промежуток времени собрать как можно больше мусора. Мы не пытались быть первыми, конкурировать, да, мы просто хотели очистить как можно больше пространства, чтобы мы жили все в чистоте в этом прекрасном красивом городе.
Давайте собираться чаще.
Yeah.
Bu etkinliği dün görmüştüm Instagram'da. Bugün bir katılmaya karar verdim. Çok güzel bir etkinlik olduğunu ve doğaya aşık bir insanım. Sizlerle olduğum için çok mutluyum. Çok memnun oldum. Teşekkür ederim.
So this is everybody, myself of course included, who attended this event. Check, absolutely wonderful event guys, absolutely brilliant. So thank you for watching everybody. We're going to have our group photo taken, so thank you so much. See you all at the next clean, sometime this year we hope. Okay, thanks for watching.
Eller havaya.
Görüşürüz. Bye for now everybody, thank you very much. They all made a difference.
Bravo! Super!